Hola, Jaguar.
Привет, Johnson.
Hola, Johnson.
Jumbo, Johnson Jaguar.
Hello, Johnson Jaguars. This is the broadcast for December 15th, 2025.
This is our last week of broadcast before winter break.
No! Let's get started with the Jaguar pledge. I am a Johnson Jaguar.
I am a responsible learner.
I'm safe. I am respectful.
I am productive.
I am a
Johnson Jaguar.
Wow.
Be safe. Use the crosswalk to get to your car.
Do not cross anywhere else. Treat the parking lot like it's a street.
Be respectful. What you say on social media or in person can hurt someone's feelings.
Be kind, you guys.
Be productive. Do your best work on iReady diagnostic. Show what you know. Enjoy the show.
Hello, Johnson Jaguars. My name is Mr. Shane, and I'll be one of your school counselors. I'm really excited to join the team, be part of the Johnson family, and be of any supportive need. I really enjoy playing basketball, playing sports, traveling, being with family, being spontaneous, trying new foods, and yeah.
Winter Wonderland is on this Thursday, and it's from 3:30 to 5:30 p.m. Student performances will be happening. If you want to eat dinner or play games, bring some money. TK and Kinder will start the show all the way through 5th grade. We hope to see you there.
This is the Jaguar Assembly. On Friday was so fun. Congratulations to whoever got to go on stage.
Hello, Johnson Jaguars. Hello, Ms. Mayen.
Hi everyone. How's it going?
I'm getting super excited for break because we are almost there. We have one more week and then we get to go on vacation. Let's talk about that in a minute. I'm more excited about what's happening Thursday. Do you know what's happening Thursday?
I think I do.
What is it? What is it?
Winter Wonderland!
Yay! We love Winter Wonderland. I hope to see all of you and all of your families. We're gonna have a great time Thursday from 3:30 to 5:30. Hope to see you there.
Very exciting. And you know what? What happens after Winter Wonderland? I know there's something special on that Friday.
Pajama day. I don't know which pajamas I'm going to wear. I have Ducky Feety pajamas.
That's fun.
I have elf pajamas.
Ooh.
Yeah, I have
the hat
choices.
for it.
I do. So have your pajamas ready for Friday.
Yes.
And now let's talk about break. We're very excited for winter break. Do you have any exciting plans?
You know what? Not big plans, but I am very excited to start getting into some of the books that have been on my
I
shelf.
haven't read that one yet.
Have you
A
read
Wolf
this?
Called Wander. No, I haven't read that one yet.
Yes.
I have read this one. This is one of my favorites. This is Wonder. I might reread this one because I really like it.
Love it. I love that book. You'll enjoy it. Read the book before the movie.
Okay. I think reading books and probably a long winter's nap is what I'm most looking forward to.
Definitely, me too. Ready for that slumber. I'm gonna look just like those bears that go hibernating.
There you go. Last thing to remember is this year we come back on a Tuesday. Teachers and staff come back on Monday. Kids come back on Tuesday, January 13th. So we will see you bright and early that day, ready to learn.
Yay. Well, Mrs. Sphar, I wish you a very happy holiday.
Cheers.
Yay.
What this cool little device does is it takes what I play and it replays it back to me. So look, I'm gonna play, you guys know the song Snooze?
Yeah. Yes,
Does that sound familiar? Yeah. Alright, so look, watch my right foot. Alright, watch again. So look, I'm not doing anything now. It's just playing it back to you, right?
Thanks for watching. Bye. To be continued until if you got a award, I wish I could get one too.
Yes.
I lost my hat.
Bloopers.
Yeah. Can we start?